Matongoretio ni murugamiriri wa University ya JKUAT Professor Victoria Wamboka arugamiriri a university no mumana ihinda irito kugeria gucokia ciuria ciigie uhuthiri wa kigina kia university no.
Entertainment allowance at the university is a negotiated item between University Council and the unions.
To a tune of 2 million. Madam Finance, there's no believing here. Was it approved or not by SRC?
It was not.
Madam Finance, was it approved or not?
Chair, we do not have an approval, but we have a correspondence to SRC.
Kamitii ino ikiuga kuri na mianya miingi tari na utheri kuria afitha munene wa kigina na afitha wa maundu makoni uguri marutururirwo nja ya gikaro gia kamitii ino.
What is the connection between a staffer and the supplier? In this case, where you deduct somebody's salary just because somebody did not supply the required items.
Kamitii ino oho ikirugamia kwanirithio kwa mieke ya mawira orundu umwe na uguri wa indo ngurani cia mahuthiro thukuru-ini uyu kurumirira mateta ma gucerithirio kwa marihi.
We direct that henceforth that must stop and adhere to the policy on research grants.
University ya Kenyatta ona kuhanuro uguo ndina thurimo kumana na mbukirira cia utongoriri ikoretwo kuisha ikuhe kuona no arugamiriri eri tu megwikinyitie mbere ya kamitii ino aria macokire kuhundurithio. Ne kumana na ndeto ino kamitii ino yugite ni gukorwo ikigia na gikaro na minister wa kigina orundu umwe na minister wa githomo guku bururi-ini niguo kugathika mitaratara iria ibatie kuhuthika niguo kunina ciiko cia ungumania na uhuthiri muuru wa kigina kia muingi thiini wa thukuru cia mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru guku bururi-ini.
For treasury and CS for education to genuinely look not at just JKUAT but all the universities that are in the red.
Hadwini hakamemeti ve yotagogena wa wadiro.